Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Basecamp for team chat and to do step by step clearly.
In the address bar, type in the URL for Basecamp. Press enter to navigate to the Basecamp website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and choose a secure password. Next, fill in your organization name.
Select your team size from the provided options. After filling in the details, click on the Create Account button.
You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This link will redirect you back to Basecamp.
Now, log in using the email and password you just created.
Once logged in, you will be taken to the Basecamp dashboard.
To set up your team chat, navigate to the Campfire section. Click on Campfire to start a new chat room.
Invite team members by entering their email addresses.
After inviting your team, click on Create Chat Room.
Now, let's set up. Navigate to the To-Dos section on the dashboard.
Click on Add a to-do list to create one for your project.
Give your to-do list a descriptive name. Start adding tasks by clicking on Add a to-do.
Type in the task details and assign it to the relevant team member.
Set a due date if necessary to keep everyone on track. Continue adding tasks until your to-do list is complete.
Once you are satisfied with the list, click Save. Now your team chat and to-dos are all set up in Basecamp. You can now communicate and manage tasks effectively with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.